Hey, Zach here with Savage Traveling. I'm up here at the Mississinewa Reservoir at the, well, it used to be the RC Model Airfield, I guess is what they called it. There used to be a sign here. Clearly it's not there now. But I thought I'd come here and fly my drone a little bit, and because it's a beautiful day, and I was sick of flying around my house. And I wanted to try some out the preset maneuvers and do a little bit, you know, have a little bit of fun with those, because on the Mavic Air it has different little functions you can do, and it'll do certain patterns and get you really cool views from the drone. And well, that's good and all, but I forgot 2 of my 3 batteries, so I only got 20 minutes of flight time. So I figured I'd just talk about this place for a few minutes and then show you guys the area around here and you know what's around. I'm going to leave the coordinates to this place in the description below if anybody ever wants to come check it out. I remember it up here as a kid, and you'd see people out here flying their stuff. They don't take care of it anymore. There's a bathroom. I was up here once this summer, right after I got the drone, and there was a trucker, while he was driving a dump truck, because there's a gravel pit near here, and he was using that facility there, so I don't know if it's good or not. It doesn't look like too many people come out here, honest to goodness. They got us a couple grills and picnic tables if you ever want to come out here and fly your drones or your model airplanes and have a good time, have a barbecue or whatnot. What I do is I sit over here up on this pad, and that's where I fly from. It's pretty cool, but this definitely doesn't get used, and definitely ain't nobody out here upkeeping it. But from right here, I should take the drone up and I'm going to do some stuff and show you what the Mavic Air can do. I know there's a million videos on that, but I haven't made one. Alright guys, I'm going to take you up in the air and show you a little bit of the area, and you know, and then I'll see you afterwards. Well, that was my 1 battery, guys. I'm only like 30 minutes away from home, so it's not a ridiculous drive. There is a million spider webs out here. I don't know if you can see those through the sun there. They're all over my body. But that was my 1 battery. I'll give you guys a shot of what's around up top. A few of my presets worked. I think I got the Asteroid in, so hopefully we get to see that. So, all right, guys, thanks for hanging out with me. I know it wasn't much, ain't too special, but it is something, so I figured I'd upload it. So thanks for watching, guys. Once again, it's starting to get interesting, so in the next few weeks, be prepared for some cool stuff. So peace.